Have you ever wondered exactly what $10 million buys you in the world's most expensive real estate markets? The answer is absolutely going to blow your mind.
We are taking the exact same $10 million budget and going shopping in New York, Dubai, and London. The differences are completely shocking.
Will you choose a skyline penthouse, a beachfront mega villa, or a historic royal townhouse? Buckle up, because this luxury tour starts right now. $10 million. It's a fortune almost anywhere in the world. But in these three Titan cities, every single dollar fights for every square foot. We've got the cash, and we have the keys to three of the most exclusive properties on the planet. Let's see who gives you the most bang for your buck. Three completely different lifestyles, three radically different continents, but only one winner. Drop a comment right now with which city you think will take the crown.
First up, New York City. For $10 million, we are looking at a sky-high sanctuary on Billionaires Row. Look at this absolutely massive glass tower.
You get a highly secure, completely private drop-off zone. In Manhattan, this kind of privacy is the ultimate. Now, let's jump to Dubai. For that exact same $10 million, you aren't just getting an apartment, you are getting an entire beachfront compound.
Look at this absolute masterpiece of modern architecture. In Dubai, space is your biggest luxury, and this property...
Finally, we touch down in London. 10 million here buys you pure, unadulterated history and royal prestige. You aren't just buying a house here, you are buying into centuries of elite British heritage. Wait until you see the craftsmanship waiting behind these doors.
Stepping off your private elevator in New York, you are instantly greeted by the entire city skyline. It's like living inside a beautiful glass cloud.
This entry gallery is perfectly designed to showcase your museum-grade art collection. Every inch of this space screams sophistication and high-end Manhattan glamour.
Meanwhile, in Dubai, subtlety is thrown completely out the window. You walk in, an indoor waterfall and...
The floors alone cost more than most people's houses. This is flawless, book-matched, imported Italian marble that shines perfect. And just look up. This custom chandelier is 3 stories tall and features over 5,000 individual pieces of...
Back in London, the grand entrance is a masterclass in classic elegance. Original oak paneling and a suite. You simply cannot replicate this kind of craftsmanship today. Every single detail in this home has been meticulously preserved.
The architecture here is just incredible. $10 million buys you a piece of history that has literally stood the test of time. Welcome to your New York living room. It is sleek, it is ultra-modern, and it is designed entirely around that $1 billion view.
Imagine hosting a dinner party right here, suspended hundreds of feet above the city that never sleeps. The ambiance is absolutely unmatched. Over in Dubai, the living space is big enough to host a massive event. The floor-to-ceiling glass completely vanishes,
Even though you are in the desert, this custom marble fire feature serves as the ultimate centerpiece, radiating absolute luxury and jaw-dropping design.
See, London gives you this absolutely incredible, cozy drawing room. It feels like an exclusive, private members club right inside your very own.
And a historic London home simply isn't complete without a gorgeous private library. Perfect for reading, relaxing, and enjoying a glass of fine scotch. When it comes to the kitchens, New York goes for sleek, stealthy minimalism, while Dubai goes massive with...
London brings a completely different vibe. A massive classic Aga stove and hand-painted cabinets make this space feel incredibly warm.
Welcome to the master suite in New York. Imagine waking up to this exact view every single morning. The city skyline is literally your wallpaper.
And the ensuite bathroom features a soaking tub suspended in the sky. It is the ultimate retreat after a long day in the concrete jungle.
In Dubai, your master suite is the size of a normal house. You have a custom circular bed and uninterrupted view.
The Dubai bathroom is built exactly like a 5-star luxury spa. Massive rain showers.
London's master suite feels like you are sleeping in a royal palace. The historic plasterwork on the ceiling is absolutely breathtaking and completely priceless.
For $10 million, your closet better look like a designer boutique. New York goes modern glass, while Dubai gives you a massive
And London provides bespoke, handcrafted walnut cabinetry. It smells like rich mahogany and feels like an elite private tailoring room on Savile Row.
Watch this glass wall turn completely opaque.
You also get this stunning, climate-controlled glass wine wall right in your dining room. It holds over 500 bottles and looks like a modern art installation.
Dubai doesn't just do normal features. How about your very own private, massive indoor aquarium filled with exotic fish? And downstairs, Dubai gives you an air-conditioned, subterranean supercar showroom. It fits 6 of your favorite hypercars.
After driving your supercars, you can relax in your fully equipped private wellness spa. London hides its best features. Pull a secret book, and this hidden doorway opens to reveal a massive, state-of-the-art private movie theater.
And beneath the house lies an ancient, brick-vaulted wine cellar. It has been perfectly preserved and climate-controlled to
Outdoor space in New York is the ultimate rarity. For $10 million, you get this massive private terrace floating high above the chaos of the city.
Enjoy a glass of champagne by your private fire pit, while the entire city lights up just for you. This view is completely priceless. And yes, your property line extends all the way down to your very own private, pristine white sand beach, the ultimate billionaire lifestyle.
Entertaining here is a dream. You have a full commercial-grade outdoor kitchen and bar area, perfect for throwing the biggest parties on the entire Palm.
In the heart of bustling London, you get this incredibly rare, totally private, walled English garden. It is so...
This is the absolute perfect place to escape the city noise, drink your morning tea, and simply enjoy the incredible historic beauty of your property.
Owning this much private outdoor land in central London is the ultimate status symbol. It is incredibly rare, highly...
These are the money shots. For $10 million in New York, you are buying the sky. You are buying the ultimate, undisputed view of the world. In Dubai, $10 million buys you an absolute empire, a massive, modern palace on the water that lights up the night like a glowing diamond.
You aren't just buying a massive house, you are buying a prime piece of the most famous man-made island on the entire planet.
And in London, 10 million buys you a timeless legacy, a piece of royal history that will absolutely never, ever go out of style.
It is the perfect blend of deep, rich historical architecture and the bustling energy of one of the greatest modern cities in the world. So there you have it. 3 spectacular cities, 3 totally unique lifestyles.
Do you want the sky-high views and energy of New York? The massive, sunny, beachfront compound in Dubai?
If I handed you this envelope right now with $10 million inside, which set of keys are you absolutely choosing to take home today? What sparks your interest? Let me know your definitive choice down in the comments right now. I want to know who wins this ultimate luxury real estate battle. If you loved this tour, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane luxury real estate, and I will see you in the next one.